In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly remove a DocuSign signature from a PDF. If you've signed the wrong spot or just want to clear the document for reuse, this method will help you fix it fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, open your browser and search for Google PDF Signature Remover. You will see a list of online tools that let you edit and clear digital signatures. Choose a trusted website with good reviews to ensure security. Once inside the tool, upload your PDF with the signature you want removed. Most platforms will give you an option like Edit PDF or Remove Signature. Click it and follow the prompts to erase the signature completely. After that, save or download your new PDF. Make sure to check the file again to confirm the signature is gone. And that's it. Your document is clean and ready to use again. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.